This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness.
Today's video is about how to make a homemade face oil for glow and radiant skin by using simple ingredients. Here I am using 5 types of oil for making this face oil. If you have 2 to 3 of them available in your home, then you can mixture together to make this oil. First you need 3 teaspoons of sweet almond oil. Almond oil has high amount of vitamin A and E that give immense hydration to your skin as well as cleaning pores. Almond oil promotes the cell renewal process and helps in eliminating dead skin cells. Additionally, application of almond oil doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. The second ingredient that you need, 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil's antioxidants, vitamins A and E, can help repair skin damage from sun. Exposure extra virgin olive oil penetrates deep into the skin on your face, providing needed moisture. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with nutrition and antioxidants like vitamins A and E. The third ingredient is coconut oil. Use 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is naturally antibacterial and antifungal. Coconut oil for skin is an excellent moisturizer, as well as it's rich in many proteins. These proteins keep the skin healthy and rejuvenated. Coconut oil has been praised and popularized for its anti-aging properties. The fourth ingredient that you need, 3 vitamin E capsules. Being an antioxidant, vitamin E can reverse the damage done by the harsh ultraviolet rays of the sun. It even boosts the production of collagen that adds elasticity to your skin, which prevents aging signs like wrinkles. If your skin is acne prone, then tea tree oil is good for your skin. Here I am adding 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. If you're suffering from blemishes, dark spots, pimples, tea tree oil is your saver. It's one of the best home remedies for acne. It has powerful antibacterial properties. You can store this oil for 1 to 2 months. This oil is beneficial for dry to oily skin. Here I am using 5 types of oil for making this face oil. If you have 2 to 3 of them available in your home, then you can mixture together to make this oil. Here our video ends for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like, share and comment. If this is your first time watching my videos, subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.